Hey, my name is Ronnie, and I'm the sorcerer of developer groups and the go-to person for everything that happens after the Makeathon.
Hi, I'm Vital. I'm a core member of the TOM community. When you're planning your Makeathon, you need to be thinking about the details that go into organizing the Makeathon, but also need to be thinking about the bigger picture. TOM is much larger than 72 hours of making. You're building products that can help need-knowers around the world, and you're building a community of makers that want to help develop solutions for everyday challenges.
Let's take the next few minutes to prepare everything you need to scale up the success of your local Makeathon. There are 4 important parts. 1. Sharing. 2. Documenting. 3. Community. And 4. Engagement. Let's start with sharing. You want to spread the TOM movement in any direction you can. For that, you will use the power of the media to carry the message far and wide. You want people to know about your makers, your need knowers, and the products that were developed at the Makeathon. Remember, the more you share, the more people will understand what the TOM community is capable of and will be interested in joining in. Everything you have to know about media, marketing, and communication is covered in the media tutorial video.
The second part is documentation. We want to document all the great ideas that are developed in the Makeathon. The coolest part of TOM is that all our products are available under Creative Commons. This means that anyone around the world can take the designs and adapt them for their own needs. In order to make this dream a reality, your team will need to document their work. To be honest, documentation is going to be the last thing on everyone's mind during the Makeathon. It will be your job reminding them to document early and often.
How do you do this? At the beginning of the Makeathon, the TOM representative will give a short presentation about the open makers market and the 5 rules of creating maker product files. 1. Be clear and concise. 2. Take pictures or draw diagrams of the progress of your work. 3. Record measurements and tools used throughout the process. 4. Give safety warnings. 5. Assign one person from each team to be responsible for documentation. We found that if everyone is responsible, no one is. Remember, if teams document clearly, other need knowers around the world will be able to use their solutions.
Back to our 4 parts. The next one is community. You'll want to take the momentum of the Makeathon and encourage your new TOM community to keep working on developing their solutions on an ongoing basis. These teams called developer groups, or simply dev groups. Just like a Makeathon, dev groups are made up of makers and need knowers, but unlike a Makeathon, the dev groups make a longer commitment to work on developing products on their own time. Sometimes it can be hard for dev groups to stay motivated without a set structure. In those cases, you may decide as a community to organize meetups or competitions.
The last part is engagement. You've had a blast for 3 days and you want to keep the excitement alive and blazing. You'll want to organize a reunion event called the Post-TOM about a month after the Makeathon.
The most important thing about a post-TOM is bring everyone together as a community. So you'll include community members to organize the event, invite makers, need knowers, partners, and volunteers, and meet in a nice accessible space with light refreshments. So what actually happens in a post-TOM event?
You can thank everyone for participating. You can have stations to upload maker product files to the open makers market. Discuss how would you like the local TOM community to look like, or invite people to register on the spot for local dev groups, arrange an inspiring lecture, or discuss new challenges, and close the post-TOM with a Makeathon highlight video. Amazing! Thank you so much for joining us. You are doing something huge by organizing this Makeathon, but the results of scaling are going to be even bigger. If you have any questions, just shoot us an email or give us a call.